Howdy y'all, welcome to another episode of Country Fix. We're fixing to talk about shooting a pistol. This morning I got Remington ammunition and got me a little tactical fanny pack from Ammunition Depot. And got oranges up on the little dirt berm there. The pistol I'm going to be shooting is an old pistol. It's a Star 9mm. It was made in Spain. It's been in a few wars and everything. I think it's been in 3 wars. Have to look up the stuff on it and tell y'all later. But when you start off shooting, you want to make sure your weapon's always clear. There's nothing in it. You don't want to come out here with a hot gun. Make sure your backstop's good. You got something to stop it now. Make sure the bullet's never going to go past what you want it to. And always have an eye and ear protection on. Some people like wearing gloves. I don't like wearing gloves as much. It ain't that cold outside. But yeah, we'll start shooting a little bit this morning. See if we can hit one of these oranges off the tree out back. I don't know, we'll see. I'd say we hit it. Well, I don't need 50 rounds to do that. Oh, missed one. Not no more. He's a runner. Oops, got it jammed. And she's clear again. Now we gotta reload some ammunition. Hear y'all. Got my standbys, my brother and my daddy over here watching me. Don't know if you noticed, but if you're making a video and can't hear the people that's talking to you because you got ear protection in, it's pretty funny because they talk to you and you don't know what the heck they saying. And this Star 9mm pistol, between me and my brother, we've had it for a couple years and several years, and we've taken and had it reblued, or we reblued it. We've had the firing pin spring and everything replaced because it's, I don't remember exactly how old it is, but it's probably almost 100 years old. It's a Star B 9mm. Probably the most accurate pistol I've ever shot. I ain't shot a whole bunch, but I shot this one. See if we can hit another one of them oranges up there on the hill. Oops, got that one. Flat. Got him! It only holds 9 rounds in the magazine, which don't really matter. 9 rounds is enough to hit whatever you want. Always make sure your weapon's on safe whenever you're not shooting. Make sure it's on safe if you ain't doing something but shooting. Last thing anybody wants is a hole in their leg. That would suck just a wee bit. Don't want a hole in my leg, don't want a hole in my head, I don't want no more holes than what I was born with. This here somewhere around in the next week we're gonna be doing some target shooting with our ARs and all. And I think we also gonna be testing out different bows, the difference in a recurve and a compound bow. Yep. Well, shoot a little high. That never want to do nothing. Let's try to. Finally. Here we are again. Alright, well, this is another episode of Country Fixing, shooting the Star 9mm. No. Anyway, New Year's is coming up. Y'all have a great New Year's and be safe. Thank y'all.